Hello, in this video we will see how we can download and install OBS on our Windows 11 computer. OBS we will use it to screen record or to screen record of our game. It is very easy to use this software and the requirement to install this software is very low. That's why OBS is my favorite application to record screen or video game or streaming. So let's see how we can download and install this very useful software. At first we will try to search the OBS software by using google.com. Once we are in the Google page, we have to type OBS and then we can hit enter key of our keyboard, and here we will see the OBS software is there, which means Open Broadcaster software. We just need to click here, and from this page we have to choose the installer to download. We are using Windows, that's why we have to use Windows. Once we pressed the Windows button, it will bring this type of window. That means it is asking us to save the file. So I'm going to click downloads and I'm going to save the installer on downloads folder, and then I'm going to press save button. Once I press the save button, it will be downloaded shortly on this desired location, and from here we are seeing that it is a 133 megabyte and it already downloaded. So I'm going to minimize this browser and then I'm going to access the downloads folder. So here is my downloads folder, and inside this download folder we are seeing that the installer is there. We just need to double click to start the installation, and then we can choose this yes, because this is asking, this is a warning like thing, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We have to press yes, and then it will start the installation file window. I'm going to minimize this window because we don't need, and then I'm going to press next button. Then again we have to press the next button, and then it is asking us where we need to install this thing. So we are by default I'm choosing this location to install the OBS software over there, and I'm going to press the install button. Once I press the install button, the OBS software will start installing and we will find a green progress bar is going forward. Once the installation is completed, then it will bring us this type of window, completed setup. It is a confirmation message, and here it is showing two checkbox. I'm going to uncheck both of the boxes, and then I'm going to press the finish button. We can open the OBS software by clicking start menu, and then we can either search by typing OBS here, or we can also click this app menu, all app, and from here we can choose, we can go to the OBS O section, and from here we can see the OBS software is there. So here is my OBS. We are in the P tag, and this is the OBS, and once we click here, then OBS software will be open shortly. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily download the installer, and then we can install the OBS software on our Windows 11 computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.